Hello everyone, I'm glad you are back and also happy to know that you are following this Yoga for Beginners series. I'm Victor Faisca, and today we are going to focus on releasing stress and finding inner peace. This session is perfect for all levels, but mainly for beginners, and will help you feel more calm and balanced. Let's begin.
We'll start with some deep breathing exercises. Find a comfortable seated position. If you can sit cross-legged, this is the time to do it. And if you can't, just find that comfortable position you like the most. Gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to begin. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and then exhale slowly through your mouth or nose. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Don't try to control your breath. Simply observe its natural rhythm. Perform a quick body scan from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tightness or stress from these areas. Take a moment to set a positive intention for your practice. This could be something you want to focus on, like gratitude, self-compassion, or mindfulness. Shift your awareness to the present moment. Acknowledge any thoughts that come to mind, but let them drift away without judgment. Gently bring your focus back to your breath whenever you find yourself distracted. Feel the connection of your body. Visualize yourself as a tree with roots growing deep into the earth, providing stability and strength. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a moment to transition from the meditation to your physical practice. Inhale deeply again and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now, slowly open your eyes. Let's move into mountain pose. Stand with your feet together, grounding yourself into the mat. Reach your arms up towards the sky, stretching your entire body. Feel the energy flowing from your fingertips down to your toes. The most important thing is that you feel you are in the present moment, having a minute with yourself. Next, we'll flow into forward fold. Hinge at your hips and let your torso fall forward. Bend your knees slightly if needed. Just let your head hang heavy and release any tension in your neck and shoulders. From here, place your hands on the mat and step into a plank. Engage your core, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold here for a few breaths. This pose prepares us for the day. Pay attention to your body. Plant hands directly under shoulders, slightly wider than shoulder width. Breathe in again and out. Squeeze glutes to stabilize your body. Your legs should be working too. Be careful not to lock or hyperextend your knees. Lower your knees to the mat and slowly come into tabletop. And then child pose. Sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. This pose is great for relaxation and stretching the back. Take a few deep breaths here. Feel the calmness and peace within. When you are ready, slowly and gently lift your torso and move into tabletop posture to transition to our cat and cow's stretching that will help us to activate our lower back and stimulate our lower chakras. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest and draw your navel in. Continue flowing between cat and cow poses with each breath. This asana massages and stimulates organs in the belly. Now, we come back to the center, neutralizing our body, executing our tabletop. And from tabletop position, slide your right arm underneath your left arm, bringing your right shoulder and temple to the mat. Hold this position for a few breaths to stretch your upper back and shoulders. Breathe in and out. Again, breathe in and out. One more time, in and out. Then return to tabletop position and repeat on the other side. Slide your left arm underneath your right arm, bringing your left shoulder and temple to the mat. Hold this position again for a few breaths to stretch your upper back and shoulders on this side. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. In and out. Return to tabletop position.
Thank you for joining me this afternoon. I hope you felt a sense of calm and rejuvenation from our practice. Yoga is a powerful tool for finding balance and managing stress, and I'm grateful to be on this journey with you. If you enjoyed today's session and found it beneficial, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to stay updated with future practices. Your support helps us build a community dedicated to well-being and mindfulness. Wishing you a peaceful and fulfilling day, and I look forward to guiding you in our next practice together. Keep shining your light. Namaste.